Welcome back to Nartech. Today, we've got something truly futuristic and remarkable in store that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about heavy machines. Drop a comment below if you've ever seen one of these beasts in action. Trust me, what we have to show you is beyond anything you could have imagined. Stay tuned for the latest advancements in the field. Behold the Bagger 293, an excavator of monumental proportions, stretching a staggering 225 meters in length. With a colossal wheel with a 21-meter diameter, this machine can unearth around 240,000 cubic meters of earth and rock in a single day. It's a true giant beyond belief. The Roxgon rapidly crushes rocks on farmlands, aiding soil improvement and enhancing crop productivity. It's a game changer for agricultural land preparation, making a remarkable difference in enhancing crop yields. The 7495 excavator, a true powerhouse, can lift up to 109 tons with its 1100 HP engine. Its versatile bucket design facilitates effortless loading and unloading, making it an indispensable tool for mining and excavation operations. It's a heavy-duty marvel, setting new standards in the industry. The Debarker WD-1400, a leading-edge tree bark peeling machine, excels at debarking logs with diameters up to 1400 millimeters. Equipped with a modern system, it can accurately determine the thickness of the bark. It's a wood processing marvel, setting new standards in efficiency and precision. The KS Bucket series, with the capacity to grip 1,000 kilograms in one go, offers flexible mobility for easy transport from one location to another. It's a versatile material handling solution, making light work of heavy lifting tasks. The tree cutting machine effortlessly, precisely, and swiftly fells towering trees, some reaching dozens of meters in height. It's a marvel of precision and efficiency, simplifying the task of felling large trees. The McMahon PC4000, the world's largest metal cutting machine, effortlessly slices through various materials with ease. It's a common sight in large recycling plants, setting new standards for metal recycling efficiency. The John Deere 753J and DAH 150ER, working in tandem, seamlessly crushing mature trees in the blink of an eye. It's a mesmerizing display of efficiency and power, transforming decades-old trees into tiny pieces. Amazing! This irrigation system from farmlands is incredibly modern and powerful, capable of evenly distributing water across tens of acres. With its advanced system, it easily analyzes weather and soil moisture to adjust the appropriate amount of water for the crops. The Panther Series 2 vehicle, with the capability to carry over 100 tons, is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system, making it easy to adjust the vehicle's ground clearance for effortlessly loading and transporting heavy-duty machinery. It's truly one of the most massive transport vehicles in the world. The Gamaco GP4, a colossal concrete paver. It can lay an impressive 12 meters wide concrete, making it an excellent choice for a runway and large road construction projects. It's a true heavyweight in the world of concrete paving, guaranteeing efficient and precise results. The Vermeer TG400L, a recycling waste shredder, featuring robust gears capable of easily grinding down not only old wood, but also various waste materials. With its astounding capacity, it can rapidly reduce tons of material within just 1 hour. It's a recycling marvel, simplifying the processing of extensive materials. The Caterpillar D11R, equipped with a powerful V12 engine, is a massive stone bulldozer capable of moving tens of tons of soil and rock. It's a common sight at construction sites and mining operations. The Traco Mini Dozer M27, a compact and versatile mini excavator. It's specifically designed for easy mobility and operation within tunnels. It's a space-efficient marvel, ensuring flexibility and efficiency in underground applications. The specialized truck assists in constructing arches, efficiently aiding in roof construction. It's a valuable asset for the roofing industry, streamlining the process of building arches. The Tesmec Rock Haul, a powerful asphalt milling machine, stands as the optimal solution for various applications. It delivers superior efficiency and cost savings when compared to other machines. It's a game changer in the world of road construction and maintenance. This duty cycle crawler crane, equipped diesel-powered engine and a robust hydraulic bucket system. It can scoop up hundreds of tons of mud in a single day. It's a formidable tool in the world of dredging, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Witness how this excavator effortlessly descends the colossal rock face with speed and grace. Nothing can daunt this powerful machine's capabilities. The RX 4500, the largest of its kind, efficiently rehabilitates old road surfaces and lays a fresh layer of asphalt. It can easily and swiftly repair kilometers of road in just a matter of hours. It's a roadworks marvel, setting new standards in road rehabilitation and maintenance. The Dipper Fox stump grinder rapidly pulverizes large tree stumps in a matter of seconds. It's a time-saving solution for tree stump removal, making light work of even the largest stumps. One vital step is preparing for a new life. The rock grinder, employing both grinding and crushing, can extract hundreds of tons of stone in a day. It's a remarkable tool for efficient and high-capacity stone mining. The digger, featuring advanced technology and a powerful engine, is capable of lifting up to 20 tons in a single grab. It's a formidable machine in the underwater mineral mining industry, setting new standards for efficiency and strength. The Vermeer T658 trencher is designed so that it can penetrate even hard ground or concrete, making it the perfect tool for digging trenches to install cables and transmission lines. This is the ideal equipment for precision trenching, ensuring efficient infrastructure installation. Have you seen a machine like this before? If you know its name and uses, please leave a comment below to discuss with everyone. The Reg Grass Silage Tiller Black Edition can turn an entire mountain of dry grass in just one day, ensuring perfect drying before storage. It's a game changer for efficient haymaking and storage, maximizing forage quality. The tree stump grinder quickly and efficiently reduces even the largest tree stumps to mulch, transforming the landscape into spacious and visually pleasing environments. The powerful shear-equipped giant machine dissects an entire large bus into individual pieces in just a matter of minutes. It's an awe-inspiring display of cutting precision and efficiency. The two machines are creating planting furrows on the hillside, equipped with powerful plow blades that make it easy for them to move and create uniform furrows. It's an efficient and impressive operation for preparing the land for planting. The The Grim Rexor 620, a colossal beast of modern harvesting machinery, effortlessly separates beets from leaves and rocks. With its jaw-dropping dimensions, it can harvest tens of tons in just 1 hour, leaving you in awe of its remarkable efficiency. The MechLift MTD ML1612B, a 50-ton behemoth, effortlessly maneuvers with containers, reaching astonishing heights of 22 feet. Its remarkable ability to handle heavy loads and lift containers with ease is nothing short of extraordinary. This cutting-edge machine leaps and bounds, makes it a true marvel in heavy-duty machinery. The colossal sand excavator operates with astonishing smoothness, boasting a jaw-dropping 14-meter reach and gigantic buckets that can extract hundreds of cubic meters of sand. Its seamless operation is truly impressive, and its ability to handle vast quantities of material leaves you surprised. The RP2000 Rail Shear, a remarkable iron-cutting machine, slices through thick iron bars in a mere 25 seconds. Its precision and efficiency are beyond belief, minimizing costs while maximizing productivity. The timber-grabbing crane arm can clamp onto tons of wood chips at once. Its strength is mind-boggling, allowing it to lift massive loads in a single grasp. It's a true marvel in heavy-duty machinery. The Mammoth Liebherr R9800, a staggering 810-ton giant with a bucket capacity of up to 42 cubic meters. It's a true standout in the world of heavy machinery. This cutting-edge, advanced technology eclipses all others in its class, making it a true heavyweight marvel in the field. The tree transplanting machine, with its careful root protection, is like a guardian angel for trees. It ensures the roots remain unharmed, making the transportation process smoother. It's a true savior for our green friends, ensuring their healthy relocation while simplifying the entire process. The pesticide spraying machine, with its extraordinary 57-meter spray nozzle, covers vast areas with precision. Its reach is beyond belief, allowing for efficient and extensive pest control. This impressive technology exceeds expectations. The New Holland CR8090 wheat harvester, a true heavyweight in its category, effortlessly reaps tens of tons of wheat in just 1 hour. It's nothing short of a champion in harvesting machinery, outclassing its competitors by a significant margin. The John Deere 870G LC excavator, with its staggering 15-meter reach and a 512 horsepower engine, it's a marvel in size and power. It can scoop over 36 tons of earth and rock in a single go, demonstrating remarkable capabilities. The piling rig is a specialized vehicle for heavy piling operation. It uses hydraulic hammers with a stroke frequency of 30 to 80 per minute. For complex tasks, 15-ton hammers are preferred for easier transportation and maintenance. The Liebherr L586X sand loader, with its load capacity ranging from 22.5 to 33.5 tons, is powered by a robust 354 horsepower 4F engine. This vehicle not only handles substantial loads, but also excels in maximizing fuel efficiency. It's a remarkable combination of power and economy, setting a new standard in the world of heavy equipment. The Bonds Bear 8W tree cutter effortlessly navigates steep terrains and various obstacles. It can cut through massive trees, even those with diameters measuring several inches, making it a true marvel in the forestry industry. This cutting-edge technology and its ability to conquer challenging landscapes are truly impressive. These two combined sugar beet harvesters are agricultural wonders, boasting extraordinary productivity, with the ability to harvest tens of tons per hour. They can clear vast fields in the blink of an eye. The snowplow, with a colossal 3.4-meter wide clearance, is an absolute powerhouse. With its robust 1360 horsepower engine, it effortlessly clears away snow, making it look easy. This high-powered machinery is a snow removal marvel, setting a new standard for clearing wide areas efficiently. The Farmer R150 coal miner, at 8.3 meters in length and powered by a robust 266 horsepower engine, is coated with corrosion-resistant materials. Its conveyor belt effortlessly transports materials, showcasing remarkable durability and efficiency. This advanced technology in coal extraction is nothing short of a mining marvel. The colossal tree root extractor, equipped with a triple-digit horsepower engine, can uproot even decades-old trees in a matter of minutes. Its sheer power and efficiency are beyond belief, making it an awe-inspiring marvel in the world of tree removal equipment. The Comar T10000 FSCG rail crane, capable of lifting 10.9 to 12.1 tons, features a dual-wheel design for versatile movement on both rail tracks and roads. Its ability to handle heavy loads and adapt to different terrains is truly impressive. This machine is like a giant monster in the construction industry. It can dig deep trenches of several meters with incredible ease and simplicity. There's surely nothing that can hinder the progress of this machine. The Hyundai R1200-9 excavator, standing tall at 15 meters, boasts an astonishing 118-ton weight, allowing it to dig to depths of 8 meters and lift a whopping 48 tons. This giant of a machine is a true marvel, setting new standards for heavy-duty excavation with its incredible power and reach. The Senebogen 718E tree cutter excels at trimming tree branches at astonishing heights, ensuring absolute safety for workers and the surrounding environment. It plays a crucial role in preserving the landscape. The Musmac wood chipper effortlessly transforms large logs into wood chips. With its built-in arm for splitting large logs, it simplifies the wood chipping process. This machine is an outstanding asset for processing various wood types, setting new standards for efficiency and ease in wood recycling. The Liebherr LH series is incredibly versatile, with its ability to rotate 360 degrees and a robust 253 horsepower engine. It can efficiently handle a wide range of cargo, from grains to scrap materials, making it a true workhorse in material handling. Behold the CAT 5750 dragline, a true giant in the mining world, weighing 7,500 tons with its massive cable system and towering 90-meter height. It's capable of extracting hundreds of tons of minerals per day. This extraordinary machine is a mining marvel, truly a legend of its own. The corn harvester, cutting and shredding corn for easy transportation to farms, operates like a ravenous monster, devouring rows of corn at a time. Its voracious appetite for corn is truly astonishing, setting a new standard for efficiency in the agricultural industry. The CAT 6040, with its colossal size, can scoop up tens of tons of minerals at once, making it a true monster in mining operations. Its sheer power and capacity are beyond belief, setting new standards for efficiency and productivity in the mining industry. The drag flow pump, with its impressive 352-ton pulling capacity, effortlessly sucks up to 14 inches of solid materials from the seabed or the bottom of any body of water. Its sheer strength and efficiency make it setting new standards for ease of operation and heavy-duty tasks. The Tiger Cat 1075B, with its powerful engines and self-leveling system, it's capable of handling up to 20 tons of load. It can break through even the toughest obstacles, from tree limbs to large chunks of soil. This machine is a true beast in the world of land preparation. It's hard to believe your eyes, moving a bridge weighing hundreds of tons so effortlessly. Thanks to technology, humans can achieve what seemed impossible in previous centuries. The Lumberjack LJ450 is an impressive piece of equipment designed to trim tree branches in confined spaces. With remarkable speed and precision, it efficiently cuts through substantial tree limbs, making it a valuable tool for arborists and tree maintenance professionals. This is a fantastic scene. The snow removal machine is a marvel, capable of clearing snowbanks over 1 meter deep on its path, setting new standards in snow removal efficiency. The 37Z4 XXT compost turner is an environmental champion, effortlessly mixing hundreds of cubic meters of organic matter in just a few hours. It minimizes the impact of human health and the environment during composting practices. This advanced machinery is a true marvel. And with that, we conclude our journey through the world of heavy machines. Which one of these colossal marvels left you in awe? Share your thoughts in the comments. And remember, a well-maintained machine is the operator's best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest heavy machine adventures. Goodbye.